Hey guys, want to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is click on the link in the description below where it says click here to become eligible for the free money giveaway. Once you follow those instructions, and when I reach 6,000 subscribers, 2 people will get a chance to win the free money. So go ahead and click on the link, follow those instructions, and help me get to 6,000 subscribers. Now let's get into this video. This is AppGrind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to AppGrind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $30 plus an hour to play video games. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions at all about this method. Now, guys, this method is absolutely free to start, and I did my research. It's supposed to be worldwide, so it's supposed to be available worldwide, but let me know if you can't do this method in your country. Let me know in the comments below. All right, guys, I want to say one other thing before I get into this method. Thank you for getting me to 5,800. I really appreciate it. We're only 200 subscribers away to get to 6,000 subscribers. So keep doing what you're doing. Keep sharing this video everywhere. Keep hitting that like button. And hey, we can get there by the end of this month of April. Now, please watch this video all the way to the very end because I have a special bonus I want to share with you guys. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. All right, guys, I'm on the internet and I'm at this website, and the name of the website is Playtest Cloud. And this is the website that's going to pay you to play video games. Now, let's go ahead and read a little bit about it. So, make games that players love. Playtest Cloud is your one-stop solution for playtesting mobile games during prototyping, development, soft launch, and after release. So guys, you're going to be testing games that has not even been released yet. So they're going to rely on your thoughts after testing these games, if it's a good game they need to put out, or if they need to tweak it and do some minor changes to it before they put out. So you're going to influence them as far as should they put this game out or not. That's something, guys. That is something. You're going to get paid to do this. So once you come here, you're going to go ahead and click on Become a Tester. It's going to take you to this page here. So now the only thing, guys, you're going to have to qualify to become a tester. So they're going to send you a qualification test. You're not going to get paid for that, but once you qualify, then you're going to start getting paid for all the tests they send you. And this is all the information they need from you to go ahead and send you that qualification test. So it's just regular information, not too hard, real short. Now, let's scroll down here and look at the common questions. So, how do I become a playtester? Let's just click on that and read that. So sign up above, and then you'll get a short, unpaid qualification test which show you how to be a tester, and then you'll be able to play test. The qualification test is determined is to determine your eligibility in joining the Playtest Cloud Tester Panel. When you become a part of the tester panel, you'll start receiving the real playtest that you get paid for. So guys, so that's how it's going to work. You're going to have to take that qualification test. Once you pass that, then you become part of the panel. You start getting video games to test and play, and then you're just going to start making this money. Now let's look at another question. Let's see here. Okay, you probably want to know the answer to this question. How much money will I earn? Let's click that. So it says here the reward payment for each playtest can vary depending on the tasks required during the playtest and the length of the playtest itself. We will always let you know how much the reward payment is in the invitation email we send you. Keep in mind the qualification test is unpaid. Generally, a 15-minute play test and survey will have a reward of $9, guys. So for every one you do, it's going to be $9, and it's going to take like 15 minutes. So if you do the math, and if you do every one of them within an hour, you're going to get paid over $30. So guys, this is a good opportunity. You need to jump on it. Now let's just read a couple more questions here. So you probably want to know how you're going to get paid and then what they're going to pay you with. So they're going to pay you with PayPal. So you got to have a PayPal account to receive the money once you finish testing a video game. And how long will it take? You probably want to know that. How long will it take? Because a lot of these online websites, they pay people within days, weeks, sometimes months. So let's see what they're talking about. When will I get paid? So we try to process payments for play tests as soon as possible after they have been reviewed. So you should not have to wait more than a few days to get paid. There's no minimum amount that you need to reach to be paid. So guys, you can get paid if you only do one test. You can get paid for $9, and you're going to get paid in a couple of days. Like I said before, a lot of these websites pay you in more than 2 days. It'd be 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days, or a month, weeks and months. So they're going to pay you in a couple of days, guys. That's good. That is real good. All right, guys. Let me just go ahead and scroll down here a little bit further. And as you can see here, they have some testimonies from some testers. So you want to come down here and read before you sign up and see what they got to say. Be my guest. All right, guys, that's all I'm going to say about this website. Sounds like a legit website to me. I think you ought to check it out if you love playing video games and you love to get paid cash money. So go ahead and go to playtestcloud.com to get started. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 50 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions at all about this website. And please share this everywhere, because I want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Okay guys, if you're still watching my video, thank you, really appreciate it. Let me tell you about the special bonus. The special bonus is, please type this that's going to pop up on the screen right now. Type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances on winning the free money once I hit 6,000 subscribers. Okay guys, I want to do another shout out. So I want to give a shout out to this person right here. I'm gonna pop it up on the screen. Thank you, appreciate your comment. Hope you're a subscriber and keep sharing my videos. Okay guys, that's it. Thanks again for tuning in. Really appreciate you guys' support. Let's go, road to 6,000. This is you guys' channel. This is the Grind Family channel, and we going to the top. We're gonna keep going. Let's go. All right, one more thing. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Peace, and always stay prosperous.
Get your grind on, yeah. 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 Get your grind on, yeah.